Hi, my name is Zachary Sparks. I'm an 11th grader at El Cerrito High, and this is my game. It's called NBA Memory Game, and as you can see in the About, it's a classic 4x4 memory matching game. How you play is the user can flip cards. One by one, they can flip up to 2 cards at a time, and they will see different NBA players. If they get a match, those 2 cards will disappear. Their job is to clear the board as fast as they possibly can. They can restart whenever they like, and if they get a best time, that time will be saved right there. So the index sets up the structure, things like the title, a link to the CSS, a heading, timer spots, and the card grid. So pretty basic stuff. Starting around here, I used AI to help build the card image array. I wasn't completely sure how to pair images, so it showed me how to list paths and duplicate them around here. Right here grabs page elements like the grid and timer. This part creates variables to track flipped cards, matches, and time. Right here, I wanted to save the best time between games, and I used local storage for that. And this part shows it if one is saved. The shuffle function right here is from a little bit of AI help. I learned how to shuffle with array sort and math random. For the timer around here, AI showed me how to use set interval to start it and clear interval to stop it, and the time updates every 0.1 seconds. This part checks for a win. It tracks when all pairs are matched and saves a faster time. This part makes each card clickable, and that uses add event listener. And the flip logic in this section is where I needed more AI help. I learned how to block flipping more than 2 cards, which is right here, how to flip back unmatched ones after a delay using set timeout, and how to start the timer on the first flip, which is around here. Finally, this line restarts the game, and this line loads it when the page starts. For this first part, AI helped me with the flip animation. I didn't really know how to make a card flip smoothly. It showed me how to wrap card front and card back inside card inner and how to rotate it using transform. So in this part, card inner uses 3D transforms and a smooth transition, and when the card has flipped, that line rotates at 180 degrees. AI also showed me how to use backface visibility hidden, so only one side shows at a time, and how to use flexbox on the back to center the image. Finally, AI taught me how to use a media query to make the layout fit better on phones by adjusting the grid and shrinking everything else. The rest of the CSS is just basic stuff like layout, fonts, and colors.